Hi, I'm Kang and I'm an actor and a producer.
Hi, I'm Haikal Johari. I'm a chef at Restaurant Alma by Wan Amador at Blue Park Hotel.
Hi, I'm UK Sharp. I hold the national record for the 100 meters.
Hello, I'm Jeremy Tan, fashion stylist.
Hi, my name is Sunny Folek. I'm a filmmaker.
Hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm a visual artist.
Hi everyone, we are the Tom Ensemble.
Hi, I'm Josephine Chia. I'm an author.
大家好，我是 Amos Nanda 姚康田，我是一名服装设计师。
My name is Jeremy. I'm the chef owner of Levin Chotan.
Hi, I'm Hilmi. I'm a visual artist.
I'm Leslie Key. I'm a photographer.
We are Wormrod, a grindcore band from Singapore.